Welcome to Sketcher Zone 1. Monthly video. June 2025. Since September 2021, our mission in Sketcher Zone 1 has advanced steadily. By June 2025, significant milestones have been achieved, driven by teamwork, planning, and commitment to environmental restoration. Excavation and transportation. Excavation. All excavation works for remediation have been completed. To date, a total of 3,100,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Transportation. All contaminated soil has been transported to the treatment center. The cumulative volume transported has reached 3,430,000 tons as of June 2025. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. All soil within the 1% to 5% and 5% to 7% TPH contamination bands has been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Soil in the 7% to 10% band has also been screened and pulverized. In total, 3,270,000 tons have been processed and placed on the treatment pads. Remediation progress. During this month, the following activities and outcomes were observed in the bioremediation process. Tilling, irrigation, inoculum addition, and surfactant addition were performed on a total of 40 batches, covering approximately 370,946 tons of soil. A total of 40 soil samples were taken. This consists of no baseline samples, 28 IPT samples, and 12 VT samples. All the baseline samples for the bands TPH 1% to 5% and 5% to 7% have been collected. For this month, 81,715 tons have been achieved the RDC through bioremediation. The soil washing plant. 28 batches of soil were placed for treatment using the soil washing method. Overall, 165,480 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated through the soil washing plant. Total soil remediated, cumulative up to June 2025, is 2,730,980 tons. 2,565,500 tons through bioremediation and 165,480 tons through the soil washing process. Landfill. $744,624 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by Lamor with a total of 16,740 trips. $744,157 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by HISCO with a total of 15,676 trips. A total of 1,488,781 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill with a total of 32,416 trips. $8,410 tons of gravel have been delivered for South Kuwait pits and bund wall protection layer. All capping liner material delivered, and samples collected for testing as follows. $416 rolls of HDPE geomembrane liner, 168 rolls of geotextile protector, 12 rolls of geotextile separator, 27 rolls of GDL. Safety. As summer temperatures rise, KOC, PMC, and Lamor have kicked off the heat stress campaign, focusing on safety and well-being at work. This campaign highlights the importance of staying hydrated, taking regular breaks, and watching for signs of heat stress. The message given was, health is wealth. So take precautions, stay alert, and support one another during the hot months ahead. Safety starts with you. With excavation and transportation completed and treatment in progress, the project moves confidently toward completion, restoring land and setting a lasting example of sustainability.